Cary Sherburne, Senior Editor at What They Think, and I'm here with Mike Ferrari from Ferrari Innovation Solutions. Welcome.
Thank you, Cary.
You are a packaging expert, and tell us a little bit about your background in the packaging industry.
Certainly. Well, I started with the Procter & Gamble Company in 1978 and ran a blessed 32-year career, which I'm very grateful for. I learned a lot and had the opportunity to deliver some of the world's leading brands all around. I started in 2003 the Printing and Decoration Development Organization, which today is still in existence and one of the very important departments for Procter & Gamble to get their message out on brands.
Okay, and now you're an independent.
I am. As of 2.5 years ago, I retired and can now focus those energies and my passions really in what I think is a great transformation that's taking place right now, which is digital printing.
And so I know that you've been doing some work for HP, and I wonder if you could talk a little bit about some of the challenges that brand owners are facing today and how HP is helping them meet those challenges.
There's a lot of forces that are coming together today, Cary, with for brand owners, and it's actually for consumers. And one is that the shopper behavior is changing, all because of the internet. We're on social media, and we're on the internet on the go. The second is in order to meet the needs of those consumers, we are now really increasing the number of SKUs that are generated, the number of promotions to attract the very same user groups as before. There are more and more SKUs being generated, and that is causing a nightmare in the analog world.
Okay.
Digital printing certainly solves that problem.
So in other words, we're able to achieve the appropriate color accuracy and brand integrity and color quality and all of that with digital printing to be that they're happy with the packaging being done digitally.
I can certainly speak to when I studied digital printing in Procter & Gamble that I was very enamored and very drawn to the ability of the HP Indigo because it created perfect registration, no dot gain, no trapping, and all of those things really elevated print quality to the highest levels to what I consider to be high definition.
And so right now probably the percentage of packaging that's produced digitally is pretty small, but do you see kind of a hockey stick curve going?
Absolutely, and even the last 4 years there's been an acceleration anywhere from year on year between 28 and 35% growth.
Wow.
So while the numbers are still small, they've actually doubled in the last 4 years. So the label market, for example, is at about a 2%, was at a 2% per, on a volume basis, is now at a 4%.
Wow.
So that is a doubling in 4 years.
Now it's interesting, just talking very briefly about the HP Indigo 30,000 that's coming out soon for the folding carton market. That's going to be really interesting because that sheet size, as I understand it, not being an expert in the market, as I understand it, that covers somewhere between 50 and 80% of the size requirements for folding carton.
Oh, absolutely. These are really exciting times. That press, as being wide format, will now catch some 40 or 50% of all folding carton jobs, which are very low run, low volume SKUs.
That's great. Very exciting times, and you're certainly passionate about it.
Thank you. Thank you.